Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10, 9th lesson, some application of trigonometry, exercise 9.1. Okay. In this one, before starting this exercise, I will explain basics things. Already I explained in introduction video. Once again, you watch it. Briefly, I will explain. In this chapter, we need main trigonometry ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Okay. Sine ratio, cos ratio and tan ratio. Only three ratios we need in this chapter. Okay. P by H is a sine. B by H is a cos. P by B is a tan. So sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine is the perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is theta means. Cos means base by hypotenuse. Next tan means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So theta opposite is the perpendicular and this is the base. Hypotenuse is the fixed. So we need trigonometric ratios. Sine, cos, tan. Enough for this application of trigonometry chapter. Next, we want trigonometric values. Okay, trigonometry values. Sine value, cos value, tan value we need. Okay, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In this one, mainly we need 30 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Sine 30, 45, 60. Cos also, tan also. In this one, mainly we will use tan most of the times. Okay. So, this trigonometry values also keep in your mind. Keep in your mind trigonometric ratios and trigonometric values. Again, see here, angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation means when you are seeing upside is a angle of elevation. This is a horizontal line. This is a line of sight. Middle angle is a angle of elevation. When you are seeing upside, it is a angle of elevation. Next point, angle of depression. When you are seeing reverse, when you are seeing upside to downside, you are seeing means it is a horizontal line. This is a line of sight. This is a ground level line. So here this angle equal to this angle. So this is a angle of depression. When you are seeing upside, that is a angle of elevation. See here, this is a I. You are seeing upside means a angle of elevation. This is a I. You are seeing downside means it is a angle of depression. Now first question. A circus artist is climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground level. Find the height of the pole if the angle is made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Already is given in the question diagram also. Okay, now carefully listen what is given in the question. See here. A circus artist climbing, this is a rope. A circus artist climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole. This vertical pole tightly stretched and tied. Okay. Next, top vertical pole to the ground level. This pole ground level to vertical level. One pole is there. Next, find the height of the pole. This pole height we have to find. Okay. Next, if the angle made by the rope, to the ground level, here how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. Ground level to rope to here, how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. Now we have to find what is the question mark. Pole height finding is the question mark. Here rope 20 meter given and pole we have to find here how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. This is the question. So what given? First we will write in the question. Carefully listen. This is the first question. Very easy question. See here. Here what given? First you write here. It's AC. ABC. AC is equal to what? AC is a rope. Rope how many meter given? 20 meter given. Okay. AB is a pole. AB is the question mark. Pole height we have to find. This is the question mark. Next, here angle 30 degree given. So which one we will use? Sine use, cos use, tan use, you think and use it. Okay, see here. This is the sine ratio. This is the cos ratio. This is the tan ratio. Okay. Sine means what? Perpendicular by opposite side is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. This is a base. This is a hypotenuse. Okay. So sine using means, try to understand. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now you want the pole height. Okay, you want perpendicular. Next, already you know the hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine using means easily you will get the answer. Okay. So this already you know the degree, theta degree given, one side given, hypotenuse given, is asking the perpendicular. Okay, sine using means you will get the answer every time you think and take sine take or cos take and tan take. Okay, here is given one side 1 degree and one more side is asking. Okay, so now you are using sine theta means you will get the answer. Okay, see here, try to understand. Sine means what? Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now I am using sine 30 degree. Now see here, which triangle? In triangle, which triangle? ABC triangle. This is a right angle triangle. In this chapter we will use almost right. All triangles are right angle triangles only. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, now I am taking sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree. Sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? AB is the perpendicular. Try to understand. AB is the perpendicular. Next, hypotenuse what? AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now sine 30 degree you have to write. Sine 30 you have to keep in your mind. Sine 30 1 by 2. These all values you have to keep in your mind. Sine 30 is the 1 by 2. Now see here, sine 30 value you have to apply. Sine 30 is the 1 by 2. Next, AB value you don't know. So you write here AB. Next, AC value you have to write. AC value is the 20. Now apply here 20. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. AB value don't know. Right, as it is. AC value is the 20. Now you do cross multiplication. AB into 2. AB into 2 is equal to 20 into 1. AB is equal to 20. Here into, after is equal to, it is a divide. Cancel now. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So AB is equal to 10 meter. Okay. AB value here. Pole height how many meter? 10 meter. This is the answer. Here also I am giving fair notes. See here, 31 by 2 you applied means 10 meter. Height of the pole is equal to 10 meter is the answer. Okay. Storm, try to understand. A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so the top of the tree touches the ground making 30 degree with it. The distance between foot of the tree to the top where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Try to understand the question. What is the question is that? A tree breaks due to the storm. See here, due to the storm, the tree breaks. Okay, this part, it is full height of the tree. This is okay. Some part it breaks. Okay, it broken part, top of the tree touches the ground. This break and this top of the tree touches the ground. So this part touches the ground. Okay, touches the ground, making angle 30 degree. Here 30 degree it is forming with it the distance between the foot of the tree. This is the foot of the tree. Okay, foot of the tree to here how much meter is there? 8 meter is there. Next, between 8 meter, find the height of the tree. Now we will find height of the tree. So here P to be this overall height of the tree. But here this broken part, this height same. This broken part here is there. Okay. Now we will find height of the tree means AB measurement, AC measurement. Try to understand. AB measurement plus AC measurement. These two measurements we find means we will get the height of the tree. See here, this is a not broken part. Okay. AB finded means you will get a not broken part. Next, AC finded means you will get broken part. Why means this AC height, this height, both are same. Okay. So, AC height, AB height find means we will get overall full height of the tree you will get. Okay. First we will write 2-3 sentences. What are the sentences there? See. In this one you see better. See, what is the full overall height? PB is the overall height. PB is the tree. Year to year, PB is the tree. Next, broken from the point A point to broken, touches the ground at C. This point A to broken and it touches to the C. You write the sentence. Next, total height of the tree you have to find means AB height finding, AC height finding means you will get the answer. AB height, AC finded means you will get the answer. How to find? Carefully listen. First we will find AB height. AB height find means first use tan. Tan using means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base means you will get AB answer. Next, cos. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Already you know the base. Base by hypotenuse. Tan and cos using means you will get the both answers. Okay, shall we start? First we will use tan. See, tan and cos using means you will get the answer. See, this is the diagram. We will see the diagram and we will do the sum. Okay, this is the 30 degree. Which triangle? I am taking triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. First, this AB value finding, I will use tan. Okay, tan 30 degree. Try to understand. Tan 30 degree. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? AB is the perpendicular. Next, base means what? BC is the base. Opposite side is the perpendicular. Next, tan 30. What is the tan 30? Tan 30 is the 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Is equal to, AB don't know. Right, as it is AB. Divided by BC what? 8. 8 is the BC. Now you do cross multiplication. AB into root 3 is equal to 8 into 1, 8 only. So now AB is equal to 8 by root 3. Now you got AB value 8 by root 3. This 8 by root 3. Now AB distance, what answer you got? 8 by root 3. You keep one side. Next, we will find, now you got AB height. Next, now you want AC height. This height you want. Okay. This height you want means you use cos. Cos means what? Cos means base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse means you will get this answer. Now I will take cos 30 degree. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Okay, base by hypotenuse. What is the base? See beta. What is the base? BC is the base. What is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. Next, cos 30. Cos 30 value, what is the cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2 is equal to BC value how much? 8 is the BC value. Divided by AC don't know. Write AC as it is. Okay. Now you do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means AC root 3 is equal to 8 into 2. So AC root 3 is equal to 16. AC is equal to 16 by root 3. Okay. Now you got AB value 8 by root 3. AC value 16 by root 3. Now you want both AB plus AC it means you will get height of the tree. So height of the tree is equal to what I am doing? AB plus AC. AB plus AC. This height. Already you know the AB height. What is the AB height? 8 by root 3. Plus AC height what is there? 16 by root 3. Okay. Root 3 LCM? Root 3 only. Okay. So same as it is you will get 8 plus 16. So what you will get? 16 plus 8, 24 by root 3. Okay, now we will do rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means 24 by root 3 into root 3 again root 3. Okay, both places you multiply root 3. So now 24 root 3 divided by root 3 value is the 3. Now cancel is possible. 3 ones are 3 8s are 8s are 24. So what is the height of the tree? 8 root 3 is the height of the tree. First AB height find. Okay, this AB height find, tan using. Next cos using, AC height you find. Later you add means you will get height of the tree what? 8 root 3. This is the fair notes. 8 root 3 is the answer. This is the height of the tree. Okay. Now third question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park for the children below age of 5 years. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at the angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas the elder children she wants to have a steep slide at the height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the height of the slides of? Here 2 slides are there. One is below 5 years kids, one is above 5 years. Okay, below 5 years, here height how much is there? 1.5 meter is there. Okay, this is a slide. AC is a slide. Now we will find AC slide. Slide we have to find. Okay, here ground level how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. Okay, next above 5 years, height how much is there? 3 meter is there. This is a slide. This slide to ground level angle how much degree is there? 60 degrees there. Now we will find below 5 years height of the slide. We will find above 5 years height of the slide. Okay, in this diagram AC we have to find. In this diagram PR we have to find. This is the question. This is very simple and easy question. Now carefully listen. First we will do below 5 years. Okay, here AC is the height. Okay, height how much is there? 1.5 meters there. This is a slide. Here angle, ground level angle how much degree? 30 degrees there. So now you want AC height you want. So which one using possible? Sine. Sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So AC height you will get. Here also perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine both side we are using. Sine means you will get the answer. Okay, see here first step by step. First question below 5 years we will do. Okay, here AC is the slide. AC is the slide. This is only question mark. Okay, now we will use sine 30 degree. Try to understand better. Sine 30 degree. Sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? AB is the perpendicular. By hypotenuse what? AC is the hypotenuse. Sine 30. What is the sine 30? 1 by 2 is the sine 30 is equal to AB a value how much is there? 1.5. AC you have to find. Okay, now do cross multiplication. AC into 1 means AC only. 1.5 into 2. Okay, AC is equal to 1.5 into 2, 3 meter. So this slide how much is there? 3 meter is the answer. One answer you got. Next we will go to above 5 years. Again here also you use sine only. Okay, AC this is the first answer. Next we will go to second answer. See the diagram. Here what is the question mark? PR is the question mark. PR is a slide. Okay, this is the question mark. Again we will use sine. Sine 60 degree. Okay, sine means again perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here what is the perpendicular? PQ is the perpendicular. Next what is the hypotenuse? PR is the hypotenuse. Okay, now apply. Next sine 60. Sine 60 value how much? Root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 is equal to, what is the PQ value? 3. Next, divided by PR we have to find. PR is the question mark. Okay, and now do cross multiplication. PR into root 3 is equal to 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Okay, PR is equal to 3 to the 6 by root 3. Okay, now we will do rationalize the denominator. Here root 3 is there, so now we will do rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means root 3 by root 3. Okay, this answer you will get 6 root 3 by root 3 you will get 3. 3 1s are 3 to the 6. So 2 root 3 is the answer. 2 root 3 is the answer. So this slide height 2 root 3. This slide height 2 root 3 and this slide height is the 3 meter. This one is a 2 root 3 meter. This is the answer. See here, this is the 3 meter. This is the 2 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Okay. Now fourth question. The angle of elevation top of the tower from the point of the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. This is the tower. Okay. This tower to angle of elevation, how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. This is the tower. This tower to angle of elevation, how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. Okay. Next, this tower to here, what is the distance? 30 meter distance is there. Now we will find height of the tower is the question mark. Okay. Now height of the tower, this is the question mark. Okay, see here. Here simple and easy question. Okay, see here. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. You will get the tower height. Finish. Okay. Tower AB is the question mark. Okay. Next, BC, how much is there? BC is the 30 meter. So now here we will use tan. So now I am using tan 30 degree. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Okay. Perpendicular means what? AB. Next, BC means base. Okay. So this is the BC. Base is the BC. Tan 30. What is the tan 30? 1 by root 3 is the tan 30. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Next, AB height, don't know. Keep as it is. Next, BC is the 30 meter. Now here write 30. Do cross multiplication. AB into root 3. AB into root 3 is equal to 30 into 1, 30. Okay. Now see here, AB is equal to 30 here into, after is equal to, it's become a divide. Now denominator root 3 is there. So now we will do rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means, so here also root 3 multiply, down also root 3. Okay. Now write 30 root 3. 30 into root 3, 30 root 3. Root 3, root 3, root 3 into root 3, it's become a 3. 3 1s are, 3 10s are 30. So what is the 10 root 3? AB height, how much is that? 10 root 3. This answer is 10 root 3. So now height of the tower is 10 root 3. This is simple and easy question. Now you see this answer is 10 root 3. Height of the tower is 10 root 3. Okay. Now fifth question. A kite is flying at the height of the 60 meter above the ground. So ground to kite, how much height? 60 meter height is there. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This string tied to the ground. Okay. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. This string to ground, this is ground level. Here middle, how much degree means 60 degree. Now find the height of the string. This height of the string you have to find. AC height you have to find. This string height you have to find. Assume there is no slang in the string. In the string, there is no slang. It is a straight. Okay. Now we will find AC height, string height. You have to find very simple and easy question. Carefully listen. AB is the height of the kite. Height of the kite, how much is there? 60 meter above is there. So this is the 60 meter. Now AC string height, this AC height you have to find. String height you have to find. Now here how much degree is there? 60 degrees there. Now we will use sine, cos or tan. See here, sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Already you know the perpendicular, hypotenuse. Sine using means you will get the answer. Okay. Now see here. Now I am using sine. Sine 60 degree. Sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. What is the perpendicular? AB is the perpendicular. Next, what is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. Now, sine 60. What is the sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2. Now, sine 60 value, root 3 by 2. Next, AB value is the 60. Divided by AC value, don't know. Right, as it is, AC value. Now, see here, beta. See here, now you do cross multiplication. AC into root 3 is equal to 60 into 2. Okay. AC is equal to 60 to the 120. It is a into. After it's equal to, it's become a divide. Now we will do rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means multiply root 3. Multiply root 3. So 120 root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. 40 root 3 is the answer. Okay. Now height of the string is equal to 40 root 3 is the answer. Okay. This is the fair notes. Now see here, 40 root 3 is the answer. Height of the string is equal to 40 root 3. Now, sixth question. A 1.5 meter tall boy standing at the distance of 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from the eyes to the top of the building increases 30 degree to 60 degree. He walks towards the building. Find the height he walks towards the building. This is the question. See here. Building height. This is the height of the building. Building height, how much is there? Year to year. AB is the building height. Height of the building is 30 meter. Okay. Next, year one boy is there. This boy height 1.5 meter. Okay. Next, this boy placed to angle of elevation starting how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. Next, is walking towards the building. Towards the building is walking means it is 30 degree to year. This person, a boy is walking towards the building. Year how much degree? 60 degrees there. Now what is the question? Distance. This boy walked towards the building distance we have to find. Year to year, what is the distance? This distance you have to find. Find the distance he walked towards the building. This is the question. Once again, I will repeat. See, building height 30 meter. Boy height 1.5 meter. Okay. When first boy standing is watching the top of the building means year 30 degrees there. Next, that boy is moved towards the building. Towards the building means year to angle of the elevation, top of the building, angle of elevation 60 degrees there. Now we will find year to year distance you have to find. This is the question mark. Okay, how you will find means carefully listen. This total distance to this distance minus means we'll get the answer. So, okay, first we will use this full triangle. This full triangle using means you will get this answer. Next, this small triangle using means this answer. This full distance to this distance minus means how much he walks towards the building, you will get the answer. Okay, first, yes, see. Building height, how much is there? 30 meter is there. This boy height, 1.5 meter. Here also 1.5 means here also 1.5. This 30 to 1.5 we will minus. Now what given we will write. Now see here, AB is the height of the building. Try to understand. See here, AB is the height of the building. Building height 30 meter. Next BC is the height of the boy. Height of the boy how much? 1.5 meter. Now AC is equal to AB minus BC. So AB how much? 30 meter. Minus BC height how much? 1.5 meter. 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5 meter. So this AC height year to year 28.5. Okay. Now first we will use this big triangle. Which triangle? ACD triangle. Next we will use this triangle, AEC triangle. Step by step I will do. Carefully listen. Now see here. First we will use here. We will use this triangle, ACD triangle. Okay. See here. In triangle ACD. Okay. This triangle ACD triangle using means we will use tan. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Okay, this height you will get perpendicular by base. Okay, tan here 30 degrees there, here 60 degrees there. So now we will take tan 30 degree. Try to understand tan 30 degree. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? This full triangle means AC is the perpendicular. AC is the perpendicular. Next, what is the base? DC is the base. Now divided by DC is the base. Next, tan 30 value. What is the tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3 is equal to AC value how much is there? 28.5. 28.5 divided by DC value don't know. Keep as it is DC. Okay, is equal to now you do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means DC into 1 DC is equal to 28.5 into root 3. So 28.5 root 3. Okay. Now DC value you keep one side. Next, now we will use this small triangle. This small triangle. Which triangle? ACE triangle. In triangle ACE. This triangle using means again we will use a tan. Okay, tan 60 degree. Now we will take tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means tan means what? What is the tan? Perpendicular by base. Okay, here what is the perpendicular? AC is the perpendicular. What is the base? EC is the base. EC is the base. Tan 60 value. What is the tan 60 value? Root 3. Root 3 is the tan 60 value. AC value 28.5. Divided by EC don't know. Keep as it is EC. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. 28.5 is equal here we will this one did miss 28.5. This one EC root 3. Okay, EC into root 3, EC root 3 is equal to 28.5. Now EC is equal to 28.5 here into after it's equal to it's become a divide. So EC value this is. Okay, in this one see in this one DC value. DC value how much came? Try to understand. DC value, this is the DC value 28.5. Next EC value 28.5 divided by 3. So now you want only DE value. Okay, see here. Now you want DE value means try to understand better. See here. Now you want this person walk towards the building. Only this much distance you will find. Okay, DE is equal to what you will do? DE is equal to DC minus EC. DC minus EC. DC minus EC. DE want means this full to this minus. DC minus EC. DC how much is there? You can apply. DC how much came? 28.5 root 3. Now you write 28.5 root 3 minus EC how much is there? 28.5 divided by root 3. 28.5 divided by root 3. Okay. Now carefully observe this one. Here what is the common? In this one, 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5. So 28.5 is the common. Common means what is remain inside? Here remain root 3. Minus here remain 1 by root 3. Okay. Now you do LCM. Okay. 28.5. Here what is the LCM? Root 3 is the LCM. Okay. Root 3 LCM means here root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1. Okay. Now see here 28.5 into 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. Okay. See here 2 by root 3 means 28.5 into 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 8 is 16 plus 1 17. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 57.5. 57.5 means it is 57. 57 by this one you will get this 2 multiplied means you will get 57 by root 3. Now this is the rationalize the denominator we will do. Multiply root 3 by root 3. Okay. Now see here 57 into root 3. 57 root 3 divided by root 3 3. Now cancel possible. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 2 remain. 3 9 is 27. So what is the answer? 19 root 3. Which one is 19 root 3? Year to year distance towards the building you walked how much means D value how much is there? 19 root 3 is the answer. Okay. Now see here what to do. First this full triangle used means you will get this full answer. Next small triangle means you will get this answer. So this full to this minus means you will get this answer. Only this much is the answer. See here this is the square notes. The E walks towards the building is equal to 19 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Okay.